श्रीमद् आदिशंकराचार्य विरचित षट्पदी स्तोत्रम्। अविनयमपनय विष्णो दमय मनः शमय विषय मृग तृष्णा भूतदयां विस्तारय तारय संसार सागरतः दिव्यधुनी मकरन्दे परिमल परिभोग सच्चिदानन्दे श्रीपतिपदारविन्दे भवभयखेदच्छिदे वन्दे। सत्यपि भेदावगमे नाथ तवाहं नमामकीनस्त्वम् सामुद्रो हि तरङ्गः क्वचन समुद्रो न तारङ्गः उद्धृत नग विदनुज दनुज कुलामित्र मित्र शशि दृष्टे दृष्टे भवति प्रभवति न भवति किं भवति रस्कारः मत्स्यादिभिरवतारैरवतारवतावता सदा वसुधाम् परमेश्वर परिपाल्यो भवता भवतापपीतोऽहम् दामोदर गुणमन्दिर सुंदर वदनारविंद गोविंद भव जलधि मथन मंगज परमं धर्मपनयत् वम्बे नारायण करुणामय शरणं करवाणि तावको चरणौ इति षट्पदी मदीये वदन सरोजे सदा वसतु इति षट्पदी मदीये वदन सरोजे सदा वसतु सदा वसतु। इति षट्पदी स्तोत्रं संपूर्णम्। हरिः ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। ओम सशङ्खचक्रं सकिरीटकुण्डलं सपीतवस्त्रं सरसीरुहेक्षणं सहारवक्षस्थलशोभिकौस्तुभं नमामि विष्णुं शिरसा चतुर्भुजं। हरि ओम। In the first shloka of Shatpadi, there is prarthana. In the second, there is vandana. In the third, the difference between Jiva and Ishvara is pointed out from the standpoint of the upadhis, the individual and the total, but from the absolute standpoint, there is oneness. So, in Tattva Drishti, there is Advaita. And here, at our empirical level, the relationship with Bhagavan is the whole, and Jiva is the part of that. And so, therefore, the part must realize the relationship and worship the Lord. Then, a question was there, why this Jiva is praising or praying God? Bhagavan as though asked him, why are you praying to me? Because you are compassionate. What is the proof? So that's what we are discussing in the fourth shloka which is there. Udhrutanaga naga vidanuja danuja kula mitra mitra shashi drushte drushte bhavati prabhavati na bhavati kim bhavati raskaraha. Now these are some references to stories that we find in the Puranas. In Srimad Bhagavatam, it is very well known, and in other Puranas also, when that Indra Bhagavan got very angry with the residents of Gokul because Bhagavan Sri Krishna stopped his worship because Indra Bhagavan had become little arrogant and wanted all on demanding, very demanding. So Bhagavan Sri Krishna told all, what is the use of Indra Yoga, Ajindra Yag? You worship this Govardhan mountain. Our life is sustained by this. So they also, they say, yeah. Indra got very furious and he sent all these clouds of the deluge time, Musladhar Varsha, pouring down heavily, flooding. Now everybody was helpless. At that time, whom they can go to? Krishna Mahabaho, Bhagavan Sri Krishna only. Bhagavan wanted that only, that to humble the pride of that Indra. He said, Acha, this is what you want to destroy Gokul and all Gokul Vasis and cows and everything. And he said, Bhagavan lifted the Govardhan mountain with his little finger, that also the left hand. Little finger only. It became like an umbrella. And there was a big hollow there. He said, all of you come here. Strangely, the water was not entering there. Everywhere there is water, and in that hollow there is no water. And Bhagavan is holding Udhruta Naga. Naga, mountain is called Naga, Nagachati, iti Naga. The mountain does not move. So it could not go to Bhagavan and say that Bhagavan lift me. Bhagavan said, but I can come to you. And Bhagavan lifted. In this Govardhan, as I said, not only Shabdalankar, but great Artha also there. Bhagavan is a great uplifter. He uplifted the mountain also. He protected all the Gokul Vasis and all the cows and calves. On the one side, he protected. On the other side, Indra's pride was also humbled. But when he came down, worshipped the Lord, apologized for that, Bhagavan said, all right, but now don't become arrogant and then you are appointed for some job. You are transgressing that and you have become a very demanding person. Hereafter, don't do that. Now see, in this Govardhan Leela, So, Bhagavan, didn't you listen to Gokulvasi's cries? And even that Govardhan, which is supposed to be now jada, cannot move, but you lifted. Go stands for the cows, go stand for the Vedas, go stand for these Indriyas. So many things are there. Idea is your job is to uplift everybody. And therefore, I have come to you. Otherwise, they say, Uddhared Atmana Atmanam, you lift yourself by yourself. I say that is rather difficult. You only lift. Bhagavan says, all the devotees come. You have promised even in the Bhagavad Gita, Tesham aham samuddharta bhavami, I will lift. Therefore, I have come. Bhagavan, evidence number one. Yeah. Number two, Uddhruta Naga Nagabhit. Indra Bhagavan's one name is Nagabhit. Nagam is mountain, as I said. There is a story, olden time earlier, these mountains were having wings and they used to fly. So, when the Rishi Muni is performing their Yajna Ityadi and the civilian area also, if they say the mountains are flying, so they were getting scared. Suppose it falls down, what will happen? So it is said that Indra Bhagavan with his Vajra, he cut off the wings of these mountains. And so then, since then, they are stable at one place. So everybody's fear went away. So the Nagabhit is the name of Indra Bhagavan. And Nagabhit Indra Tasya Anujaha, and his younger brother Anuja. Bhagavan is called Indra. That is, Indra Bhagavan is called Indra. Younger brother called Upendra. Vamana avatar. Vaman. Because what happened? The Asura, Raja, Bali and all of them, they became very strong and they captured the heavens. So Indra, the Devatas became homeless. So their mother, Aditi, was very sad and she worshipped the Lord. But so Bhagavan said, the Raja Bali is doing good job. So I cannot do anything. But I will come as younger brother of Indra. As a brother, I can do something. And Bhagavan came as Upendra, Vamana Bhagavan. That is most fascinating story that is there in Srimad Bhagavatam. Nagavi Dhanuja, he became Anuja. And when begging for a small piece of land, measuring his 3 steps of his little foot. Raja Bali laughed. This is little boy. And this much land, Bhagavan, your long discourse, what is the use of being greedy and wanting more or not? Such wonderful discourse is that. So he gave. This is not time to go into that story. And when he said, okay, I give, immediately he became Trivikram, huge. And in one step, he measured the whole world. That means the world that was conquered by Raja Bali, in the second step, the heavens also. And he said, now where will I place my 3rd foot? Now you have not fulfilled your promise. Raja Bali said, you please place your foot on my head, because I became very arrogant, kartrutva bhav, that the whole world belongs to me. Actually, everything belongs to you. How I thought it belonged to me and how I dared to give to you. Bhagavan was so pleased. His ahankar was gone. He went to Sutallok. Bhagavan sent him Sutallok, very prosperous. And Bhagavan became his security guard there. Can you believe? And he said, Indra, come here. You want heaven? Take this heaven. I think in the bargain, Raja Bali got more. because Indra got the kingdom, but Bhagwan, he got Bhagwan. Listen to that story. Bhagwan, how wonderfully you please both. Huh? Udhruta Naga, Naga with Anuja, and Anuja, Danuja Kula Mitra. You are very friendly to all those who are devotees, those who are sadhus, paritranaya sadhunam, for sadhu raksha you do. But those who are wicked people, adharmic, unrighteous, wicked, then you are not their friend. Huh? You don't like that. That they are disturbing all sadhu people and all that. But still Bhagavan's compassion is very, very strange. Danuja Kula Amitra, even though he is not friendly toward these asuras, but when he kills them, he doesn't send them to hell. That is so wonderful. It is better to die at the hands of Bhagavan only. Even if asura rakshas also. So here Bhagavan says they must be punished here, but after all, they are also part of my creation. Danuja Kula Amitra. So how see Udhruta Naga, that Naga word immediately, Naga with Anuja, and then immediately Danuja Kula Amitra, because Naga bhi Danuja, it becomes Danuja, and then Danuja Kula Amitra, Mitra Shashi Drishte. Bhagavan, you are very partial to bhaktas and not favorable to all other. No, Shashi, Bhagavan's eyes. I know whom to I look with prema drishti. And if they are not following proper danda drishti, surya drishti, chandra drishti, mitra shashi drishti, drishti, all these visheshanas only of Bhagavan. You have got this eyes, vision of Surya Chandra. Then next, drishte bhavati. Drishte bhavati means when someone has realized you, bhavati is not a verb here. See, in the Upanishads it is said, Tasmin drishte paravare. When that Paramatma is realized, all the knots of ignorance and everything, they get cut off. That's called Tasmin drishte. Drishte bhavati, jab aapko dekh liya, when someone has realized you and who you are, Prabhavati, Prabhavan, Saptami Prabhavati. You are Prabhavashali, Samarthashali. You can do, undo, otherwise do anything, you can do that. All capable, Samarthyavan. So when someone has seen you, who is Udhruta Naga, Naga Vidanuja, Danuja Kula Mitra, Shashi Drishte and all that, someone has seen you, then Bhavati Prabhati, na Bhavati Kim? Will this not happen? What? Bhava tiraskaraha. Tiraskara means elimination. Bhava means samsara. Will not the samsara for that person end? That's what he said in the Upanishad. Just now I mentioned. Vidyate hridaya granthi chidyante sarva samshayaha kshiyante chasya karmani tasmin drishte paravare. When that Paramatma is seen, the knots of the heart in the form of avidya, they get cut off. All doubts are dispelled. All karma bandhanas are exhausted, finished, they are destroyed. Samsara will end. Sant Nyayeshwar Maharaj, in one of the Abhangas, he said, Javavari re tavari badhi ha samsara. जो बाप रखमा देवी वाला देख लेना है. This samsara becomes very troublesome, torturing, persecuting only as long as you have not seen the Paramatma, Vitthal Bhagavan. Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji himself has said in other place, Jnate Tattve Kaha Samsaraha. When the Tattva is known, then where is samsara? That means all our samsara bandhana, all suffering, everything is only because of ignorance of this truth, you say, or lack of this devotion for God, and we have not seen that Bhagavan. Therefore, only everything is there. Uddhrata Naghohi Dhanuja. It's a beautiful. So, Bhagavan, I have given evidence. Do you accept that? Admitted, They say evidence is admitted. Yeah, accepted. Now, Bhagavan, little more also. I have something more. What? Another beautiful sloka now. Matsyaधिविरवतारैरवतारवता सदा वसुधाम परमेश्वर परिपाल्यो भवता भवतापभीतोऽहम्. मत्स्यादिभिरवतारैः अवतारवता अवता सदा वसुधाम परमेश्वर परिपाल्यो भवता भवतापभीतोऽहम्. Isn't it famous? Bhagavan Vishnu, Dashavatar, 10 avatars are those famous incarnations. Bhagavan, yes. That is the most popular theme for all dancers. Dashavatar thing. Because very dramatic. Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narsimha, Vamana, then Parshurama, Sri Ram, Sri Krishna, Buddha avatar, Kalki avatar, all these avatars are pointed out or not? Bhagavan, Matsyadhivi avataraihi. Through these incarnations of Matsya means fish, you are so great, you don't think that it is below your dignity to take only the form of a fish also. But the fish are little fish, you see in the aquarium. The huge form, it can cover the whole ocean only. Matsya, Kurma. Now the Matsyavatar, for Veda Raksha you took. Each avatar is a long story. Kurma avatar, when Devatas, Asuras did the churning of the Milky Ocean with the Mandarachal, it was sinking. So Bhagavan down below came as a turtle, lifted it. So he helped them succeed in their mission of churning and finally getting the Amrita, the nectar. Matsya, Kurma, Varaha avatar. That Hiranyaksha had taken away the whole earth down below in the waters, and Bhagavan as a boar, he just went there and lifted the Prithvi. Prithvi Uddharanam. Hiranyaksha. Narsimha avatar. Oh. For the sake of that little devotee, Prahlad. Narsimha avatar. Then Vamana avatar, just now I mentioned. Parshuram avatar, because so many at that time the Kshatriyas and all that, they became so arrogant. Bhagavan said they must be disciplined now. Therefore Parshuram avatar came. But then Bhagavan came in the same Kshatriya Vamsha. Sri Ram. When Parshuram saw that Sri Ram has come in this, so he said, no, my job is done. And Sri Ram, what shall I say? That is totally different thing then. Ikshvaku Vamsha Prabhava Ramo Nama Janai Shrutaha. such a Sarvagunopeta, that Sri Ram, Sri Krishna. Idea is Matsyadivi avatar, in different avatar, different times, even though there appeared a specific job, but it was very clear when there was decline in dharma, increase in adharma, sadhus felt very unprotected, those were righteous people. The other forces became so powerful. Then paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkrutam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Bhagwan, that's what your own promise, no? Matsyadhivi avataraihi. So through here avatara incarnations. Who are you? Avatar one. So avatar vata, Tritiya Vibhakti. Avatar one. You are the one who take this avatar. Called Matu Pratyay. One. Avatar one. Like Dhanwan. So you are, whenever there is a need, and then you are the only one who can take that avatar. So, Tvaya avatarvata avataraihi. Avatar protected. Sada Vasudham. Always this Prithvi that was protected by you only. This Mother Earth was protected by you. Adi sadhus were also protected by you. And those who were unrighteous and all that, they were punished, disciplined, or destroyed, depending upon what was the extent of their wickedness. So, avatarvan bhavan you are. Tvaya avatarvata avataraihi, through these various avatars. Only 10 avatars are pointed, but don't think only that 10 avatars. There are so many avatars are there. Whenever there is any need that is there, Bhagavan takes avatar very many. Sometimes he himself directly comes. Sometimes he empowers those who are noble, great people. Through them he gets the work done. See, avatar means what? Coming down. Avataranam, descending. So, that does not mean Bhagavan is sitting somewhere also and then only coming down. It is figuratively said. Bhagavan manifests wherever he is. Coming down in the sense, otherwise he is reveling his Swa Mahimni Pratishtita in his own glories. Then you find, oh, there is suffering going on and everybody is praying also. So then Bhagavan says, now I must go down. And so therefore, Bhagavan, that is, this avatar siddhant is the most very, very special feature of our Sanatan Vedic Hindu Dharma. Very special feature. So, avatarvan. Now, those who believe only in Nirgun, Nirakar, they cannot accept any avatar. Or there are others also, they say, Bhagavan is Sagun, but Nirakar, but they also cannot say that he takes avatar. हमको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Bhagavan, no problem. Bhagavan says, I can come. Why can't? Matsyadhiviravataraihi avatarvata avata. Again, Tritiya Vibhakti. Sada Vasudham. Bhagavan said, why are you saying this? I know about my all Dashavatar and all that, so why are you telling me? Bhagavan, simple reason. When you came to protect this whole world, isn't it that you have to protect me also? Oh, that's what you're driving at. So when you say by you the whole world is to be protected, Parameshwara Paripalyo Aham. Bhagavan, You are Parameshwara. I also deserve to be protected by you. भवता, आपके द्वारा मेरी भी रक्षा वांछनीय है. भवता, भवता, हे परमेश्वर, परिपाल्या अहम. I am also here in this world, no? When you protect the whole Prithvi, I am also a resident here. But what is your trouble? Huh? See, there the Prithvi Mata and Rishi, then Devata, then they said their troubles and all that. Therefore I came. What is bothering you? Why I should protect you? Because bhavatap bhito ham. See the beauty of bhavata, bhavatap bhito ham. Bhavata by you, and next is bhava tapa bhito. But bhava tapa put together, it is bhavata bhavatapa bhito ham. This is called anuprasam. Bhagavan, why I am saying I deserve to be protected? Because bhitaha aham. I am frightened. Frightened of what? Bhavatap. All the afflictions of bhavati samsara. Adi bhautikta, from surrounding so many things come. What all happen, I don't know. From phenomenal things also happen. From myself only also many kind of tapa, trividha tapa, you know, they can't. So I just don't know. Somebody heard in California that it is on the, what you call, the fault line of Bhukampa, earthquake. So he flew to Florida. He flew to Florida, so their lightning hit him. One man got frightened that he is going to die in Delhi. So he went to Mumbai and the death was waiting for him there. Bhagavan, I am so frightened, you know. So I am also in trouble and I myself cannot do it. You are all capable, you have no trouble, but you can save me. Very nice. Matsyaदिviravatareihi avataravata avata sada vasudham parameshwara paripalyo bhavata bhavata pabhitoham. Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, 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 Sharanam Mama. Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, 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 Sharanam Mama. Sharanam, Sharanam Mama, Sharanam Mama. Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan ki jai. Shri Sadgurunath Maharaj ki jai. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.